How to download CoinEx application on your iOS device. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are looking for a way to download and install the CoinEx application on your iOS, first of all, open your App Store. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now, go ahead and type in CoinEx in your search bar and search. Look for the CoinEx Buy Bitcoin and Crypto application from CoinEx Global Limited. Once you have this application info page, click on the Get or the cloud icon to begin downloading the app on your device. It may ask you to confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password if you are downloading the app for the first time on your iOS. Now wait for the application to install on your phone, and once it does, within a few seconds, you can go ahead and launch the app open. Then you can log in or create a new account and start using it. So there you have successfully downloaded the CoinEx application on your smartphone, especially iPhone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.